Hey everybody, Andre is here, and today we have another window project in Hamilton, New Jersey. So we are replacing 17 windows on this beautiful house right behind me. So right now in this house, old vinyl windows, about 25-35 years old, and we're gonna replace them with Okna windows in Soltech or Okna 500 series. So let's see how it looks from the outside, that old window. So then when it's all done, you can see the difference in the new one. George and Patrick ready to do it. Beautiful morning, all set to go. So we're gonna knock them off, 17 windows all in one shot today. George, can we do it?
Yeah, no problem.
Good. Self-confidence is most important. So in here you have 3 separate windows, like single windows, and we're gonna make one triple unit. So we're gonna cut out all this unnecessary wood around this single unit and install one triple unit window. And windows are gonna be much bigger than they are right now, and they're gonna look much nicer as well. Patrick is, as always, working hard, removing the capping on the old window. So let's see, the job is going on. Several windows installed already. So we're gonna remove all this joints of the old windows. So the whole frame is removed, it's nice and clean. And here we go, the whole window goes in. Beautiful. So here we go, most of the windows done by now. And that's the window that we were in the beginning of the job we are looking at. So that's how it looks, completely installed and nicely kept on the outside. So it looks like $1 million each window in the house. 17 windows, so that's like 17 million look. That's it, the 3 windows totally finished, nice outside capping. So before in here it was like 3 single unit windows, and now it's 1 triple unit window. So the windows look much bigger and much nicer.